Welcome to a quick demonstration of Maltego Data. As part of your plan, Maltego Data speeds up your investigations with trusted and convenient data access to a wide and growing range of data sources. To give you an overview of how Maltego Data works, let me first show you where it fits into the Maltego platform. Maltego is an all-in-one platform for all levels of cyber investigators. Maltego Data is a centralized solution for accessing data from over 120 sources. This comprehensive data access includes both Maltego Data Pass and Maltego connectors to ensure the best possible experience for investigators. With Maltego Data Pass, which is included in your plan, your team gains immediate access to a wide range of data sources, including cyber threat intelligence, social media, the dark web, and more. This convenient, out-of-the-box solution allows you to conduct deep and advanced investigations on Maltego Graph and Search right after activating your license. With Maltego connectors, you can connect your existing data and tools into Maltego Graph, creating a single pane of glass for your investigation using the keys you already have access to. Now, what challenges do you face when conducting complex investigations? Often, you may find yourselves limited to just a few data sources, potentially missing out on crucial insights that could make or break your investigation. The process of procuring multiple license keys for various data sources, each with its own pricing and terms, further complicates matters once licenses are obtained. Managing them individually while navigating different tools and interfaces can be both inefficient and disruptive to workflows. Moreover, the constantly evolving OSINT market adds another layer of difficulty, making it hard to keep up with the expanding range of data providers. This is precisely where Maltego Data excels, especially with Data Pass. Maltego Data Pass allows you to manage a single plan and budget for all data needed for complex investigations conveniently through Maltego's curated lists. Additionally, it also ensures the anonymity of your investigation by providing a non-attributed and trusted setup. All queries go through Maltego servers before being forwarded to the various providers. As a result, you can ensure a smooth workflow, perform advanced threat analysis, and stay up to date with the dynamic and ever-growing OSINT market. How does it work in real scenarios? As mentioned before, Maltego Data offers two distinct data access modules, Data Pass and Connectors. First, I will demonstrate how Maltego Data Pass works after you activate your license on Maltego Graph. Then, I will show you how to add more integrations to enhance your investigations through Maltego connectors. From day one, you can leverage several pre-installed Maltego Data Pass hub items for the most critical types of investigations as part of your plan, including person of interest, cyber threat intelligence, cryptocurrency, dark web, and corporate intelligence. The curated Data Pass is credit-based, exclusive to the Maltego platform, and would otherwise require separate procurement from multiple providers. With Maltego Data Pass and a budget for a single data provider, you have one-stop access to a wide range of constantly growing data sources, minimizing single provider risk, all directly through Graph and Search. Let me show you how the Maltego Data Pass works in action. I'm just going to open a new graph, add an alias entity to it, and then simply right-click to open my transform menu. As you can see, in my transform menu, I have access to all the data passes that I have installed. Once I select a given data pass, for example, the person of interest one, I can then see all the separate transforms that I can use as part of my subscription to supercharge my investigations. Easy. But what if you need an additional data source not included in the data pass? You can add more as your investigation progresses using Maltego connectors. With over 100 ready-made connectors, such as Recorded Future and Splunk, you can seamlessly integrate additional data sources, including your own internal database. This allows you to use your own keys to further enhance your investigation. From the main Data Hub page, search for the provider you need, for example Splunk, and install it. Then simply insert your key to access the database and enhance your investigations. Additionally, if you need a custom connector, you can write your own using SDK through the connector builder. In summary, Maltego Data Pass is an integral part of your plan, designed to support various investigative approaches and provide all critical data you need to accelerate complex investigations. whether your investigations involve OSINT, internal data, or both. Maltego Data ensures an easy approach to diverse data sources by sourcing the necessary data for you, seamlessly integrating multiple connectors, minimizing single provider risks, and reducing investigation time from hours to minutes. Thanks for watching.